Okay, what we're doing with this is we have the cream cheese here. We have butter. This is a half a cup of butter. Like I said, I'm making 2 cheesecakes, so it would be 1/4 cup of butter if you were doing 1 cheesecake. 6 cream cheeses, some vanilla wafers, 6 eggs, 2 cups of sugar, and vanilla extract. I don't know if I said that, but vanilla extract. And also, we're going to add just a little bit of banana cream Jello pudding into the batter, but we're just going to add maybe like a tablespoon per pan, so I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of this. And then we have our bananas and our brown sugar and lemon juice that's cooling over here. Okay, so I'm making breadcrumbs, so I'm going to get them all crumbly, so this can be my crust. And to this I'm going to add some melted butter and just a little bit more sugar. Okay, so I have my cookie crumbs all crumbled up, my vanilla wafers. I did a whole box, and that gave me 3 cups. And then I had to do like a small bit of another box, which was about 18 more cookies to make my 3 cups. I have my butter melted, and I have some sugar here on standby that I'm going to add to this. So what I'm going to do is grab me a clean spatula here. Yeah, and I'm going to add my butter and a tablespoon of sugar, and I'm going to incorporate that all together. Okay, I pressed my breadcrumbs into the pan, and what I just did is I took my hand and I went around and pressed all around to make sure that it was even. I did both pans, and then I'm going to put them in the oven on 350 degrees for 10 minutes. So here we go. 10 minutes. So I took 4 bananas. I cut them up in this pan, diced them up, and I'm going to add 4 tablespoons of brown sugar and 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. I'm going to mix that around a little bit. Get all that brown sugar incorporated into the bananas and the lemon juice. Let it cook down a little bit, but not too much, because you don't want your bananas overcooked and too mushy. You just wanted to get it so that the brown sugar is melted and completely coating the bananas. So, and that's only going to take a few minutes. Okay, let that cook like a minute or so. And you can see like the liquid has formed around the bananas from the brown sugar and the lemon juice. We take that from the heat and let it cool. And then we'll move on to our next step. Okay, in here I have my 6 packages of cream cheese. Already creamed some. I'm going to mix my mixer up. Cover on. Okay, start the mixer. And go ahead and add my other ingredients. And start the mix on slow, because I don't want my ingredients to be all over the wall and me. So, I'm going to start gradually adding in my sugar. Gradually adding in a little bit at a time. About time for my cheesecake crust to come out of the oven. Okay. Almost, got about 2 more minutes. I should be done with this by the time that comes up. Okay, I'm going to add my eggs one at a time. One. Two. Oh, one got in there. Three. No, that's actually four. Five. That's six. Okay. Now that I got that in there, I'm going to add my vanilla extract. This calls for 2 teaspoons per cake. So I have 4 teaspoons in here. I'm going to go ahead and add that in. So next what I'm going to do is stop the bowl, stop the mixer, let it down, and I'm going to scrape the bowl and the blade and start it back up so that everything can incorporate. Next I'm going to incorporate my bananas and my brown sugar, my lemon juice that I did earlier, along with my banana pudding jello mix. And let that go for a couple of minutes. Alright, so my cookie crumb bottom or crust is done. I had that in the oven on 350 for 10 minutes. And now I'm just going to take some vanilla wafers and kind of press them in around the sides. And I'm going to do this on both. Just press them down gently into the pie crust. You don't want to do it too hard because you don't want your pie crust to, your cheesecake crust to, crumble. And I'll be right back. So I filled my pan with the cheesecake batter. I have my cookies lined around the pan. I also line my pan with foil, and I have that pan sitting in another pan that has water in it because we're doing a water bath, and that helps for the cheesecake to cook evenly as opposed to start cooking outside, and it helps to cook evenly. So there you have it. Yeah, I am going to dress it in the morning. Love you. Bye. Okay, and this is a finished product. I unmolded it, and then I added some dollops of Cool Whip, add my cookies, some drizzle of banana cream pudding, the banana cream jello pudding that I had added to the mixture. I mixed that up with the powder with a little milk, and then I drizzled it with that, and then I added some cookie crumbs, and that's the final product, the banana pudding cheesecake. Yeah, that looks good. Please like, share, comment, or subscribe to our videos. Also check out some of our past videos and look forward to some new and exciting ones. Have a blessed one. Bye.